Hey, have you noticed? Robot vacuums today seem to have grown eyes. They don't just mindlessly bump into walls anymore. Old robot vacuums only had a bump sensor. The moment they hit something, bam, they just turn and go somewhere else randomly. But today's robot vacuums act like they have a live map in their head. They can easily dodge slippers, toys, and even charging cables. The secret lies in its sensor family. That little flying saucer on top is a LiDAR, and that tiny window in front is a camera. Together, they are the robot's eyes. A LiDAR sends out thousands of invisible light pulses every second. When light hits something and bounces back, by timing the trip, it knows exactly how far away that sofa is. Even smarter, as it moves, it connects all those bouncing points into the shape of your room. This is called SLAM. It scans, maps, and knows its own location on that map, all at once. But good eyes aren't enough. You need a fast brain. In the past, all this data had to go to the cloud for processing. By then, the moment was gone. Now, there's a tiny computer inside its body that can make decisions right there. This is the magic of edge computing. It doesn't wait for a cloud server far away. It uses the chip inside its own head to react right at the unseen edge, in your living room. This gives two big wins. 1. Your home's map and photos never leave the house, much safer. 2. The reaction is in milliseconds. Even if your cat suddenly paws at it, it can dodge. So look, sensors are the eyes, edge computing is the local brain, and together with wheels and motors, you have a complete sense-think-act chain. It's this system that lets it know a Lego brick must be avoided, but a wind-blown curtain is okay to ignore. No more Lego destruction. This kind of edge computing used to be only on space rovers. But now, thanks to chip technology, a processor that does all this costs less than a latte. This is the rise of tech for the people. The same technology that once explored Mars is now quietly humming on your floor, making your daily life just a little bit nicer. Think one step ahead. As sensors and edge computing keep evolving, it won't just be a sweeper. It might become a home companion that truly understands you. From a blind tin box to a helper with eyes and a local brain. That's the rise story written by sensors and edge computing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.